In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove collaborators from Asana projects. By the end, you'll know exactly how to take someone off a project so they no longer receive updates or have access to its tasks while keeping everything else in your workspace intact. First, head to the Asana login page. If your team signs in with Google, choose Continue with Google. This takes you through Google's secure sign-in flow. Select your Google account and complete the login. If your organization uses a different login method, just sign in the usual way and you'll land on your Asana home screen. Once you're in, open the project where you want to remove collaborators. From your home or sidebar, click the project name to enter it. You'll need the right permissions to manage members, so if you don't see sharing controls later on, check with your project owner or admin. Inside the project, look toward the top right and click the Share button. This opens the project's sharing panel, where you can see who currently has access and what their roles are. This is the central place to manage collaborators, whether you're adding people or removing them. Find the collaborator you want to remove in that list. Next to their name, you'll see a small drop-down or menu control. Click that drop-down to reveal the available options. Choose Remove from Project. As soon as you do, Asana updates access immediately. That person will no longer see the project in their sidebar, won't receive notifications about its tasks, and won't be able to open it unless they're re-added later. If you have more than one person to remove, repeat that same process. For each collaborator, click the drop-down next to their name and select Remove from Project. Work through the list until you've updated everyone you intended to remove. You can use the search field in the panel, if available, to quickly locate specific people, which is especially helpful on larger teams. When you're finished, you can simply close the sharing panel. There's no extra save button here. Your changes are applied instantly. A quick tip: removing someone from the project doesn't delete any tasks they created, and it doesn't remove them from your organization or team. It only affects their access to this specific project, and that's it. You've logged in, opened your project, used the share panel, and removed the collaborators you no longer need on that project. Thanks for following along, and feel free to replay any section if you want to see the exact flow again.